I believe that he climbed, but I'm not sure what that means. Like, did he snowshoe in and then climb? Rock that
way back?
No, the one right here, right below the bridge, that has snow all over it.
Oh, I'll see it when we come around.
He must have been climbing up there.
Huh.
I'm climbing right here. See this? It's completely engulfed in snow.
Oh, okay, that's where you climb?
That's where I'm climbing.
What is that, one lead or 2 leads, 4 leads? What
It's actually a top rope, so...
Oh, it is?
Yeah, so it's like a half a pitch.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Well, I'm glad I drove up here. That would have sucked. We would have been bummed. Drove up here and went, okay. Those are those moments where you're like, I should probably drive up there. And then after the fact, you're like, that was totally the Holy Spirit.
Yeah, you could climb some wet rock over there on the left.
That's all leading, and it's with gear, and it's wet, and I don't have any gear to lead. So that doesn't work well for me. You could have climbed that too. Oh yeah, you might have climbed that. That's like 2 pitches.
Is that top rope as well?
No.
Oh.
That's called School Rock. That must be grouse sled that he was talking about. Because I thought this is called grouse sled. Maybe it's not. Oh, maybe it's Phantom Spire. No, I can't remember what it's called. This is like the only place to top rope up here. Which is, so it's pretty, it gets pretty popular because climbing is really popular now. And climbing up here is pretty popular.
Do you climb at the climbing place?
Gym? Yeah.
Yeah, there on off of Donna Pass Road.
Yeah. Abigail works there, my oldest.
Huh.
But yes, I have a membership there.
I had a 1-week membership there. It's a fabulous facility.
Yeah.
So this is doable for me. It's just that when I come down, I have to break through the water because I don't like rooster tails all over my outfit.
Right, that's funny. Okay, there we are. And you turn around there or here-ish?
I usually drop in, turn around here.